Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another episode of Back to Basics. In today's video, I'm showing you how to make a focaccia bread. Focaccia bread is Italian style flatbread and unlike its sound, it's actually very easy to make. It is very similar to a pizza base recipe, but we have an addition of olive oil and potentially some optional ingredients on the top before you actually get to bake your bread. So without further ado guys, let's proceed with the recipe. So we'll require 500 grams of bread flour, 360 milliliters of warm water, 1 sachet or 7 grams of yeast, tablespoon of salt, and we'll require some olive oil. So I'm going to be using a food processor or food mixer, but of course you can do this by hand. So first things first, our flour goes in. I'm going to sprinkle some salt. No yeast. Okay, I'm going to now pour the water in. Okay, and just first a glug of olive oil. The focaccia is really hungry olive oil bread, but that's what makes it taste yummy. Right, let's get it mixed in. So after 5 minutes, our dough is ready. This dough is far more liquid than a pizza dough. Okay, you can see this, it's all sticking to everything and anything, but this is what we need, right? So next thing, right, I'm gonna just put a little bit of oil on my hand and a little bit in the bowl. Okay, and I'm gonna take the dough off the hook. Okay, and I'm gonna now roughly shape this into a bowl, sorry. Okay, and the oil will stop it sticking to your hands. If you have a look now, look, it's kind of nice bowl. Just collect all the rest. All right, so now, okay, I'm gonna grab my olive oil. I'm gonna put a little bit on the base again. Don't be shy. I said the oil, that's what gives the focaccia the flavor. Okay, right, now, in that goes, into that bowl. Cover this with whatever you have, and then put this in one place for about 30 to 40 minutes or until it's doubled in size. So guys, our dough is now ready and it is more than doubled in size. So it's looking very, very lovely. So I've got myself quite a deep baking tray, okay? It's totally up to you, okay, what sort of depth you want your focaccia to be. But I would mind to be cut in half because I'm going to be making this into this sandwich. So the next step, I've got some olive oil again. I'm just going to drizzle this at the base. Okay, so it's kind of covered it. And then we're going to take the dough out. And it's going to collapse a little bit, but that's fine because we're going to prove this again. So if I'm just going to put this, look at that. Nice. Nice to see those bubbles. Okay, so I'm going to put some more oil on my hands. It is not particularly a very healthy bread, but it is a treat, okay? So, and now I'm just going to spread this around in the tray. Oh, the olive oil smells so good. And this is where you really want to have a very nice olive oil. Okay, right, okay, so I kind of spread this around. Do this with the fingers. The focaccia have this little indents in the top, okay, because then we're going to put some toppings on it if you wanted to, and some olive oil. So anyway, right, I've done this with that, okay, sliding off. So basically just spread this around your tray, okay, and then cover it up with a cling film and just leave this for another 20 minutes to half an hour. So guys, our focaccia is now ready for the next step. It has risen really, really well, okay, we've got some air bubbles, which is absolutely brilliant. So next step, okay, again, we'll have a little bit more of olive oil. Okay, I'm gonna just sprinkle this on the top. Okay, I'm gonna use my fingers and I'm gonna press, okay, and make little indentations. And it just, you can hear the dough kind of squishing. It's lovely, right. Okay, so next step I have some roasted garlic, which I roasted, okay, the other day. You can use anything. You can put the rosemary, you can put salt, you can put anything you want. But generally, I'm just gonna put this garlic in those little indentations I just made with my hand. So when you cut into the focaccia later, you will get a piece of roasted garlic. It will taste absolutely amazing. So, right, our garlic is in, and now it's going in the preheated oven at 185 degrees for between 15 and 20 minutes. I'll see you then. So we are ready. I let it cool down slightly so I can handle this a little bit better, but let me get this out. Look at this. All this olive oil gave it a really nice golden color at the bottom, and we have really nice color at the top as well. So let's cut in inside and have a look. So there we are. Look at that. Close up. It is absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to cut this in half now. I'm making this because I'm going to be making sandwiches. So, okay. Look at that. That's good. And the idea is, cut this in half again. It's going to make a really, really big sandwich. Doesn't have to, but if I just put this out of the way. And now your idea is you're going to slice this way. Okay. There we go. Look at that. It's still warm, but it is absolutely perfect. The idea is you can see this, we're half and half, and you can fill this with things like mozzarella and pesto and the tomato, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's really springy, really spongy. It smells absolutely amazing, and it's really good warm or cold. Beautiful. So guys, this was as simple as that. Yes, it kind of sounded a bit complicated, but in fact it is not. And the whole point that you can actually put anything you want on the top and then put anything you want inside it after it's done. It is absolutely brilliant. As I said today, okay, I'm going to put some Parma ham, some mozzarella, some tomato, and some pesto. And this is going to be a very, very nice dinner. So anyway, guys, I really hope you have enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy my videos, please don't forget a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. It really does help the channel. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.